Kenya has written to the International Court of Justice saying it will not participate in the hearings on the offshore dispute with Somalia. Attorney General AG Kariuki sent the court a letter. The letter accuses the court of bias because of a Somali justice. Abdul Kawi Ahmed Yusuf was the president of the court until early this year. Kenya's concerns and perception of unfairness and injustice in this matter are exacerbated by the inexplicable rejection of Kenya's preliminary objections to this court's jurisdiction and the dismissal of requests for the recusal of Judge Abdul Kawi Ahmed Yusuf, given his past exposure on behalf of Somalia to the issues in this case. American Joan Donahue has assumed the post of president of the court as per a scheduled rotation. Donahue, like Yusuf, is likely to have a case involving her own country before her. There is a suit against U.S. sanctions by Iran to be heard. Like Yusuf, Donahue is likely to make a solemn declaration before the court to act impartially and conscientiously. Both justices are seen by analysts to be loyal to the law, not their home governments. Kenya 3 times postponed the case, but lost its latest appeal for more time. In his letter to the ICJ, Kariuki says that his nation hasn't been able to prepare for the hearing because of the pandemic. It further explains that a new legal team was engaged when the coronavirus struck. Somalia and Kenya draw their boundaries at sea differently, and both claim a huge section of the Indian Ocean. Surveyors maintain that there is about $500 billion of oil and gas in that space. In 2014, Somalia decided to take the case to the International Court of Justice. Kenya has indicated it would like to negotiate a shared ownership of the territory. Somalia thinks it will win the case and has already dispatched its legal team to The Hague. Experts expect the hearings to go forward, with Somalia presenting its side starting March 15th. A previous case involving China and the Philippines at the ICJ went forward despite one party withdrawing. Kenya has already submitted its written arguments. They are only abstaining from the live testimony. Once arguments are finished, and Somalia's aren't expected to take more than 2 weeks, a judgment could come within 4 to 6 months. It will be up to the United Nations Security Council to enforce the verdict. Kenya currently holds a non-permanent seat on the council, which lasts for 2 years. ADN TV will continue to update you on the maritime dispute between Kenya and Somalia.